This 2011 Tiffin Allegro 35QBA is a Class A RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features refrigerator, air conditioning, TV, microwave, skylight, stovetop burner, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk beds, front entertainment, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2011 Tiffin Allegro 35QBA is built on a Ford F53 Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Ford Motors Inc. engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.